Today we're learning about Popplet. What is it, how does it work, and in what ways can we use it? Popplet is a platform for your ideas. You can create galleries, you can record thoughts, explore ideas, you can collaborate together, and you can collect inspiration. This is how to create an account. You click on Create Account on the top right hand corner. A box comes up where you type in your first name and last name. Next you have to put in your email address. Make sure you remember this because you need it to log into your account. Then you enter your password and confirm your password. And before clicking next you need to agree to the terms of service. To do this you click on Terms of Service and it should open up a new window. Have a read through, then close the window and click Agree. Then you click Next. How it works. Okay, so this is the window that comes up when you first log in. There's example Popplets on the right hand side and you click Make New Popplet. Then you type in the name of your Popplet and you can pick a colour of what the Popplet will have in the background. And you click Make It So. This is the first thing that comes up when you do your first Popplet. It just shows you how you can actually make popples and what you can do in them. So to make a popple you double click. You can type in a popple. That little button there shows you how you can change the format of the writing, so you can move it to the left, to the right or to the middle. You can change a popple's colour just like you did the whole Popplet board. You can draw in a popple. You can add an image to the popple using the computer icon, YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. You can resize a popple just by clicking and dragging that arrow on the bottom right. You can move a popple just by dragging it, and you can move the Popplet board just by clicking and dragging the board and not the popple. Okay, so to get started we double click and we type in what we're going to be doing. We're just going to be using this as a mind map. So I might do a little bit of a drawing. You can notice I've changed the colour of the Popplet to red and my name is up in the top left hand corner of it. You can choose to get rid of that by going into settings and clicking on view and hide name tags. Okay, so that's done. To make a new popple you drag that little dot and undo your click and you can just start to type in things. So one's Edmodo, another one's Prezi, Digo, and finally history pin. Now if you want to add a video, I might show you this later. So fake book. You can zoom in and out by just like scrolling. Okay, so now I'm going to add a video. You click to make a new popple and you type in, you click on that icon there, click on YouTube and you type in what you want to look for. Then you click it and press Add to Popplet. It's different to going into an actual new window of YouTube, copying and pasting the link. You don't have to do that. This makes it much easier. Okay, so when we want to make a presentation, we go to Settings, View and Presentation Mode, and because we haven't recorded anything yet, we press Record and you just click on the different popples on the dashboard. So go around in the order of things you want to be shown, then you click Present, and it's telling you to use the arrow keys to move in between the popples. Here's an example. And finally it comes to the video. You can press play.
Imagine an amazing stash of old photos that you can add to.
Okay, we don't want to show you too much. A group should be showing you how to use History Pin. So we click Exit on the right hand side, close this, how to share a Popplet. The top right hand corner shows you options for sharing a Popplet. You can use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or you can add a collaborator. You click on that button and you type in a name or an email address. I've had a few accounts, so I might just add mine and one other person. So here on the right hand side it shows you who you are collaborating with. These are called Popplers. When they log in, they have an option of viewing the Popplet first, or they can just become a collaborator without viewing it. How to log in. To log in, I'm using an account I've created earlier. This has all of my other Popplets I've made. So you type in your email and your password. Then you click Login. This is asking me if I would like to join a Popplet as a collaborator. This is what I've shown you prior. So for me, I'm going to add another popple in a different colour to show that I'm a different collaborator. This is a good exercise you can use in a classroom where all classmates can collaborate together to add to one same idea. This is a finished product, Stage 5 Australian History, the Cold War. This is a Popplet I would present to a Stage 5 history class. It is covering Topic 5, Australia in the Vietnam War era, showing how and why Australia became involved in the Vietnam War. To present this, I go to Settings, View and Presentation Mode. I click Present and OK. I move the arrow keys to show you the different popples. Popplet in class. This is a presentation to show how Popplet can be used in class. To view the presentation, you click on Settings, View and Presentation Mode. You can use Popplet to share ideas between classmates or even classrooms, in the same school, state, country or around the world. You can use Popplet with collaboration assignments, to share and add ideas, or to discuss. Popplet makes organising ideas very easy. It has your name at the top of your popple, and you can comment on other people's additions. Popplet is also a great way to introduce a differentiated curriculum. You can put different levels of an activity up on the board, or you can put different levels of an activity up on Popplet. This makes the class a little bit more interactive. Using Popplet for study notes is great for visual learners. You can type out your notes for the whole term on a Popplet and print it out as a huge poster. Popplet can also be used as a visual aid for speeches or other presentations. Popplet is a lot more interesting than writing on the whiteboard, so teachers can use Popplet to present their lesson. More quick specifics. You can add another Popplet into another Popplet. It's easier to show you. Using the Settings menu, you click on Popplet Linker. It opens up with a new window. You click on the Popplet you want to add and drag it onto the board. It should then load up. Once in the presentation, you can click it and it will then take you to a new window where the Popplet will be shown. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, as it gives you just the basic tools on how to start your Popplet and how to share it. Thank you.